It's a 2017 Fiat 500. This 500 has unmistakable Italian style that's undeniably you. It's easy on the eyes and generous on the features. It boasts an impressive list of features like these: streaming audio, wireless phone connectivity, front heated leather bucket seats, rear parking sensors, USB port, leather steering wheel, inline 4-cylinder engine, fixed sunroof, gas pressurized shocks, and power heated mirrors. Edmunds.com find it's fuel efficient, easy to toss around, and can be parked without aid of cameras or warnings. Fresh, sporty, fun, Fiat. They say a journey begins with one step. In this case, it begins with a test drive. Start your next adventure today.
The friendly professionals at Perkins Motors are proud to serve the surrounding communities of Denver, Littleton, and Pueblo, Colorado. We're conveniently located at 1205 Motor City Drive in Colorado Springs, Colorado.